Alright guys, got a little different video for you today. My brother buys scrap vehicles, junk cars, trucks, and it's a little place in Comanche, Texas he's cleaning up. That's his loader, and that's his wrecker. We come down here, we had to drag that truck out, now he's dragging that one out. We got to hook onto it, take it with us. Just a minute. So anyway, he wants me to pull the wrecker up. So like I said, we got that one. We get her all dug out and hooked up, we'll holler at you. Alright, I pulled the truck up out of the way. Now he seems to be having a little trouble getting that out. Guess the loader won't pull it. Alright, I might need my help, so when we get it drug out, we'll come back. Alright guys, got her out, got her hooked up. He's we'll check the air in the tires. We'll get a look at the connection here. See, we just put these forks, put them forks down there, safety chains. That way if it happens to hop off of the forks, it doesn't go anywhere. The truck was severely wrecked, steering column's ripped out of it. So we got straps going everywhere, holding doors closed, hoods closed. All right, guys. See if we can get her out of the yard here. We'll ease over here to the Allsups, get us a burrito, make sure all of our stuff's secured, and then we'll be headed to great city of Perrin, where my brother's yard is, and we'll drop this thing off. All right, we'll probably see you in Perrin, unless, you know, we have a wreck or lose a truck or something exciting happens. We'll be back. All right, here we are. The brother's shop up there. He is going to make some phone calls See if he can sell this truck to a truck salvage yard. So we're not going to unhook it. And there's the wrecking yard. All these old cars and tractors and all that old mess. One of these days we'll come up here and do a walk around, all that stuff. But anyway, we're here. Seeing the video. This is my birthday, guys. So give me a birthday present. Give me some shares. Share it to your social media. Share it to your Instagram, whatever all that interwebble mess is. Put it on your Facebook. Get me all the shares you can, all the likes you can. Get me some subscribers. I'd greatly appreciate it. And this truck came from a towing service who I guess had worked the accident, and the people, whoever had the accident, never come picked up the truck. So they end up getting ownership of it and selling it to my brother. So there's this flatbed. So that's what we went and got the 82 Corvette with at midnight. One of the first runs with that truck. So, like I said, my birthday. So let's get me a bunch of subscribers. 58 years old today, 5/21/21. And this will be the last day of my driver's license. So I have to go to an eye doctor to get certified to get my license renewed, and I'm not gonna be able to pass the test this year. I'm not even gonna go waste the money. I hadn't been driving in a couple years anyway, so if I did get them renewed, I wouldn't use them. So we'll just let them go. All right, that's about it. Remember, like, follow, share, subscribe, comment, blow it up, make it go viral, help old boy out. Thank y'all.